Hi viewers, welcome to all. Here we are discussing about a project, a low power and high speed voltage level shifter based on regulated cross coupled pull up network. The efficient and very low power voltage level shifter is briefly discussed in this paper. The switching speed is increased day by day in analog and digital signal processing applications, while the dynamic power consumption is also decreased by adopting a new regulated cross coupled method of pull up network. The proposed level shifter may transforms input signal with voltage level far lower than a mass device's threshold voltage to greater nominal supply voltage levels. Even though to low number of components, the proposed level shifters method occupies a tiny silicon area with ultra low power consumptions by making it appropriate lower power applications such as implanted medical devices and wireless sensor network. The result of this work was analyzed in Tanner EDA tool at 180 nanometer and 45 nanometer CMOS technology. The power dissipations and propagation delay of the proposed level shifters are 1.173 millivolt respectively for lower and higher power supply voltage of 0.4 and 1.8 voltage, and the input frequency is 1 megahertz. Now we can verify the base paper. This base paper, they are given the basic architecture of this level shifter. They are given in figure 1 the two different types of conventional level shifter. The A is a current mirror CM based architectures, and B is a differential cascade voltage switch DCVS architecture. Okay, and the proposed thing they are given in figure 2, and final proposed architecture they are given in figure 5, the schematic of complete proposed level shifter. Okay, so we are designed this work in Tanner EDA tool. Okay, so this is a Tanner EDA based design. Okay, here we are designing 45 nanometer and 180 nanometer CMOS technology. Okay, you can check the nanometer on here. Okay, so this is a 45 nanometer based design. Okay, so here the MD file given in 45 nanometer. Okay, and this design is TBCM. Okay, CM means current mirror. Okay, so we are developed from the circuit this paper the figure 1a and b, and this figure 2 and also figure 5. Okay, now we can verify the simulation part one by one. Okay, this is a TBCM. Okay, so here you can analyze the circuit. Okay, and we can run the simulation. Okay, and this is a simulation output. Okay, here we are given input signal is 0.6 voltage and output signal is 1.8 voltage. Okay, and you can verify the current proposed LS method level shifter. Okay, you can analyze the circuit. Okay, and you can analyze the DCVS circuit. Okay, and you can analyze the proposed level shifter. This one is a proposed level shifter. We can run this proposed level shifter. You can analyze the same waveform. Okay, this one. Okay, and this is a T-Spice analysis. Okay, here you can go for file, open folder containing TB. You can open this folder. This folder you can analyze number of MOSFETs and MOSFET geometric voltage sources, subcircuit model definitions, component models, independent nodes, boundary nodes, total nodes, and power consumptions. Okay, and delay. Okay, everything we can analyze it, and netlist you can analyze it on here. Okay, so this is a netlist file for proposed method. Okay, and we are all taken all the comparisons and put a comparison document for this project. This is a comparison table. Okay, so this one is a comparison current mirror and differential cascade voltage switch and proposed level shifter, current proposed level shifter. Okay, and we are compare MOSFET area, power consumed, and delay. Okay, this is a comparison analysis chart, and we are written abstract document for this project. This is a base paper abstract, enhancement of this project, proposed title, proposed abstract, existing system, disadvantages, proposed system, advantages, and related notes. Literature survey, finally references. Thank you.
If you need more video related with VLSI projects implementation, please like and subscribe this channel.